Okay guys, so in Microsoft Word there is a really cool feature called autocorrect. Okay, and this is part of the auto formatting features in Microsoft Word, and it is very helpful, and I'm going to show you how it works today. Now, I don't know about you, but I have certain habits on the keyboard that I type words with the letters mixed up the wrong way around. Okay, so I would often I used to, when I started learning to type, I would type the word the, T-H-E, as T-E-H. Now, as you can see, have a look here. I've typed T-E-H, but when I press the space bar to move on to the next word, it automatically corrects it for me to T-H-E, which is really handy. I mean, this is a lifesaver for me, okay? Otherwise, we'd be doing like the whole time. So that would be so weird. That's just very weird. So anyway, my point is that we can have Microsoft Word auto-correct some of the mistakes that we naturally make, but we'll start learning from that too. So let me show you where we fix this. Okay, so for example, there's a common one, the word the. Where do we find the options for this? File, Options, Proofing. File, Options, Proofing, and you will see here right at the top it's got autocorrect options. So let's have a look, and it says there's a button over there that says autocorrect options. We click on autocorrect options, and the first tab that we have here is auto format as you type. Now, this is some of the questions that I've seen asked in previous papers are things like, take away straight quotes with smart quotes. So just keep it as straight quotes. This is where you would do that. Okay, this is where it is. It's right there. It's the first option. But the one that I want to look at is autocorrect? So not auto format, autocorrect. Autocorrect. Now it says here, show autocorrect options button, blah blah blah, correct 2 initial caps. That happens to me a lot. So when you start a word, the first word of a sentence, you use your shift key to make it a capital, and then you type the next letter and you haven't taken the shift key off in time, and you get 2 uppercase letters and then the rest of the word. This fixes that for you, which is very handy. What else does it do? Capitalize the first letter of sentences. Cool. Capitalize first letter of table cells. Very handy indeed. Capitalize names of days, which we should be doing. And it corrects the accidental usage of the caps lock key. So if you've got caps lock on, and you should try this, okay? If you've got caps lock on and you hold down shift and you start typing in uppercase all the way, and it'll actually switch it around because it realizes you're typing in uppercase instead of normal lowercase. Okay, very handy. Okay, so here it says replace text as you type. This is good. Have a look. So if I'm just going to move down a little bit past all these things, and here you can see commonly misspelt words and then what they should be. So in my first column, you can see I've got like the word ACN. It's not ACN, it's can, C-A-N. So if I just go out of this and I type the word ACN instead of CAN, when I press the space bar, it automatically corrects it for me. Let's see what else we have. File, Options, Proofing, autocorrect options, and if we keep going here, there's loads. I mean, when I say loads, I mean hundreds of words. Okay, so if you keep writing the word between and you keep missing out that second E, it'll add it in for you. Now, what's really handy is you can actually put your own ones in there as well. So if you keep misspelling words, so let's take the word jump for example, and you put J-U-P-M instead of J-U-M-P, okay, you can go and put that in there and say, you know what word, every time I write the word jump and I write J-U-P-M, please fix it for me and just put the word jump instead. Let's test it. Click on add. There it is there. Great. And I'm going to click OK. Click OK. And just so that the sentence makes sense, they can jump. Jump they can. J-U-P-M. And there you go. And that is autocorrect, guys. File, Options, Proofing, autocorrect, and then have a look at all the various options that you have. Now, here is quite a cool thing. This, you know that copyright symbol? Now I know that I know the ASCII code for that. Okay, it's like 0139. No, I lie. I think it's 0169. Oh darn, what is it? Alt 0169. I got it. It is Alt 0169. Okay. Anyway, the point is that if you don't remember the ASCII code, like me, then you can go and put a brackets, okay, or parentheses, C, close parentheses, and it will put the copyright symbol for you. That's pretty cool, guys. Remember that for your exams, okay? TM is there for trademark. R is there for registered, registered name, whatever. E is for the euro symbol. Pretty cool. Oh, look at these little smiley faces. Oh, so cute. What else do we have? Okay, so that's the autocorrect. That's replacing text as you type. Just have a look at some of the other tabs that we also have. Auto format as you type. Oh, we've gone over that. Math autocorrect. Okay, I'm not even going to go there. That's like for maths, guys. Yikes. Auto format. There it is there. Built-in heading styles, list. So, guys, my biggest one is autocorrect, and this is probably where we're going to make the most use of autocorrect. So you can either create your own ones here. Nice prank to play on others, okay? You did not hear that here. Nice prank. Just change the word the to I am the greatest or something like that. See what happens. Every time your mom or dad type in the and it changes to I am the greatest. Oh, they're going to go insane. Okay, you didn't hear that here. All right, so there you go, guys. Autocorrect in Microsoft Word.